Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a blog post carousel in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website and just you need to get this plugin Divi SuperMe Pro. Now let me log in into my Divi WordPress website, and after that here I can upload plugin file. In plugin sections, now let me select a zip file for the plugin. Here you can see you will get this type of file. Then we can easily upload and install this plugin into our Divi WordPress website, and it will take just few seconds. We can wait. Okay guys, here you can see plugin is installed. Just activate the plugin. Then we can also install the light version of this plugin. Then simply go back to the pages, and here we can view this page on the front side. Then enable fuel builder. Here you can see these are all the sections that looks professional and designed with Divi builder. So let's go back into the Divi builder. And now scroll down and let's add a new section. Just here you can see plus icon in blue color. Just we can add regular section. Then here I can select one column row and search for carousel. Here you can see blog carousel, post carousel. So let's select blog carousel. Then here you can see by default layout that looks professional, and you can change here in the settings. For example, post count, by default this is 10. You can increase or decrease. For example, I can select 9. Then scroll down, you can include the categories, and after that here you can see these are some other options. Then elements, show featured image. If you want to hide, just you can disable, and simply we can enable that. Then scroll down, you can also hide anything whatever you want. Then scroll down. Now here you can see read more button, so let's enable that. Alright, then you can also change that text for the read more button. And then scroll down, you can also show some meta elements. Then for the carousel settings, so this is for the vertical. Then we need horizontal. And now scroll down. Here you can select number of columns. For example, if you want to display 4, and then scroll down. So if you want to remove arrows and dots, just you can go here for the paginations and arrows. Then go to design tab, post item. So you can add a background border as well as box shadow. And you can also customize and change the content, for example title text, description, and you can add spacing and sizing. You can also add some overlay. Now here you can see there is some overlay. Then scroll down and you can change overlay color. So this is for the icon color and this is for the background color. For example, we can add black color. Then here we can reduce its opacity. Then you can also change icon. After that you can also enable animations and then click on three dots and save it. So guys, in this way you can easily add blog post carousel in your Divi WordPress website.